So, what we're doing with Project Venom today is we're going to wrap the exhaust with this very nice Sun Plus Trade 2-inch by 50-foot black exhaust wrap. We will be curing it, spraying it, protecting it with this DEI high temp silicone coating and paint. No, not that DEI. No DEIs around here. Certainly not working at this company. So, that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, we can get a close-up of this Design Engineering Inc. Performance Products high temp silicone paint and coating. As you can see here, it is that color. There will be an affiliate link in the Dumaflachi for you, my few favorite viewers. And this is the Sun Plus Trade 2-inch by 50-foot black exhaust tape. We will be wrapping the exhaust pipe on Project Venom. Included are 6 stainless steel straps to tighten and hold the wrap to keep it from coming loose. We have very easy to understand instructions in the box, and it is written in perfectly good English. Step by step instructions. There will be an affiliate link in the Dumaflachi for this as well. Alright, well, got our tools ready, got our blocks ready. Now, what we're going to do is just get our exhaust off. We'll go from there. For that, you're going to need a 14mm socket, 14mm wrench. Get this back, rear bolt off. The only thing I don't like about this bike is the fact that the engine is part of the chassis. It is bolted. I mean, part of it, there's no lower frame. Now you got a bolt right back here, and then bolts right here with this little cradle. So that's really about the only thing I don't like about it. It just makes for quite a vibrational ride. That's just my 2 cents. My story, and I'm sticking to it. I actually wasn't expecting the new body style whenever I ordered it. I was expecting the previous body style, which, if I looked at it correctly, I believe it was a full frame engine mounted on the frame, sitting on it. Not like this. It's all good though. It'll serve the purpose. It has served its purpose, and it'll serve much more of a purpose.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my...
Alright, so we got the pipe off, and we're just going to take and run the wire brush across it, clean all the surface rust off of here, clean this crap off of there. Then we're going to douse it down with some brake cleaner, clean all of it up real good, get all the oil off of it. We're going to spray this thing down with some high heat black paint, then we're going to start wrapping it. Man, why didn't y'all tell me I had the wrong glasses on? I wasn't supposed to have my good ones on. I was supposed to have these on. Y'all are slipping.
But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this.
Alright. Pain or no pain. God's running and he's in control. In his mighty name, in the name of Jesus, he can get me through anything. He can get you through anything too. So if you have not put your faith in Jesus, put it in him. He will change your life. John 3:16. For those who believeth in the Father named Jesus Christ, Those who believe in him shall not perish. Don't ever forget that. Just remember how much he loves you, despite all of the consistent blasphemy that we do to him without even realizing it. He still allows us to be here. We should be grateful for that. None of those false gods can save you. Say on yo-yo. I don't even like to call them false gods, false prophets. That's what we're going to call them. They're not gods. There's only one God. That's the mighty name of Jesus. So, yesterday we got the first coat on the muffler and the pipe put on. And we're going to go ahead, it's prepped. I'm going to wrap it up. And then we'll put it back on and see what she looks like. Oh, excuse me today. My sinuses are horrible today. They're horrible every day, but some days are just way worse than others. Stay with allergy and sinus problems 24/7. Nope, no sniffy here. Quit doing that many years ago. Now this part's critical to the wrap. You gotta make sure you use the high temp silicone. This is the paint also. This is black. If you don't cure it with this, that is going to turn white when the heat hits it. So, let's prevent that and do this correctly. Make sure you shake this up just like any paint can. Scoop it vigorously. Now we wait. Give her a nice ride around the block. Yeah, it's curing now. Look at that. That's that silicone smoking off of there and that paint. Oh yeah. A couple more heat cycles. This stuff ain't going nowhere. She's good to go. Well, like I said earlier, the products I use, they will be linked down on the Dumaflachi, or you can click the QR code for each one and get this stuff for yourself. I'll give it a good test.